Just one use of this remedy took me from this to this, and yes, I am showing you exactly what I used and how I used it. Hi guys, it's Tosin Grace and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the most effective lip scrub ever. The first ingredient on our list is coffee. Coffee is a very rich antioxidant that protects the skin from damage and free radicals. It also increases blood flow and makes the skin look brighter and fresher. So you add 5 grams of the coffee in a clean bowl. Then you add half teaspoon of white sugar. Sugar sweeps away dry and dead skin. It also unclogs pores and softens rough spots on the lips. Then you add 1 teaspoon of honey. One thing honey does is that it locks in moisture while calming irritation. It has that natural antiseptic and antibacterial properties that fight bacteria. It also soothes redness by calming irritated or infected skin. Honey is just that skincare product you should always have in your cupboard. Then you grab your lip brush and use the tip of it to mix everything together. This is what it will look like after you've thoroughly mixed them together. I highly recommend this lip scrub for anyone with dry, flaky or dead skin on their lips, and you can apply it once or twice in a week. Don't over exfoliate. Dab your lip brush in the mixture and carefully brush through. Gently and carefully brush through to prevent bruised or bleeding lips. Leave for 30 minutes, then rinse with cold water or you clean with wipes. Just look at that transformation. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you.